Arrive in style with this Nissan 2018 Rogue S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 4 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, radio data system, radio, AM/FM CDO, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering and power windows. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.